Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 8. To install Windows 8 in any storage device, if it's a USB flash drive or an SD card or an external hard disk, these are the steps and requirements that you need to follow. First of all, plug your external storage device, regardless of what it is, and make sure that is empty. Any folders contained or data contained in the device, it will be erased during the process of the setup of Windows 8. Next step, make sure that you have the Windows 8 ISO file in hand. So here I do have my Windows 8 software. Third step, open your browser, type rufus, and hit enter. Click on Rufus Create Bootable USB Drives, and you will download this little tool. It doesn't require installation. Just click on it on the pink.exe and the download should start. Once the download completed, double click on the software itself to run and click yes. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes. This little tool will take up to 1 minute to appear in our desktop, so you will need to be a little bit patient, and it doesn't require installation. It's straightforward. Next step, we are going to copy the link of the file where we have our Windows 8. Here is the little tool appeared finally. I'm going to select the storage device that I want to use. It has a capacity of 16 GB, which should be enough. Disk or ISO image, click select. Paste the link of the file where you have it saved and wait until it appears. Don't worry if you see something like this, you need just to be a little bit patient since it's still running in the background. At this stage, we're going to locate our Windows 8 and we'll double click on it. Under image option, we're going to select Windows to go. Partition scheme GPT, target system UEFI. We're going to name it Windows 8.0, let's say. File system NTFS, cluster size 4000 bytes. Quick format, create, etc. Now, again, this PC shortcut, we're going to click on our device in which we are going to set up Windows 8, right click and select format. Change the file system from whatever it is to NTFS, quick format. Please note that by proceeding like this, all the data will be erased from that specific device. I will click start, okay, and the process will begin. This operation takes usually 30 to 50 seconds, up to 1 minute as a max. Format has been almost complete, close. Again, just as a quick refresh. Sometimes this little tool stops responding, but you can just wait and it should come back. The process of this setup should not take you a very long time and it's straightforward. So now I went back to my initial device and we're going now just to click start. Here you will need to choose which version of Windows you want to get. I want just Windows Standard, not the Pro version. You can select the Pro version if you wish and click OK. I'm gonna just click yes. And here it's asking to format the device. I will just click OK. And I'm going to wait. Now the operation begin. Just leave your computer running. You can go grab your coffee, do whatever you want. And after 4 or 5 minutes, the process should be done. And it should keep progressing here in the bottom until you see it green. I'll just pause the video here and I will take back to show you what you need to click to finalize the process. The whole process should not take more than 6 to 8 minutes as a total. That is over, just click on close. Open the PC shortcut. and check the device on which you have installed Windows 8. You should see several files and now Windows 8 is ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.